The following message is transmitted at the request of the Texas Bureau of Investigation. A blue alert has been issued for the state of Texas. A shelter-in-place warning has been issued for Harris County, Texas. Texas law enforcement are looking for Darian Hedgewick Jr. Hedgewick is a 35-year-old black male, 5 foot 4 inches tall, weighing 160 pounds with brown hair and brown eyes. He is wanted by Texas State Police for assault of a Harris County sheriff when encountering a traffic stop. He fled the scene in a blue 2007 Chevrolet Impala, with Texas license plate DWZ6799. Law enforcement believe he is traveling to Austin, Texas. If you have any information regarding the whereabouts of Darian Hedgewick Jr., please call 911 immediately.